इससे पहले BRS रुकन कौंसिल के कविता को हैदराबाद में तहवील में लिया गया था और रात दिल्ली मुंतकिल किया गया। BRS के भी कई कायदीन दिल्ली पहुंच गए हैं। कविता की गिरफ्तारी पर BRS की तरफ से तेलंगाना के मुख्तलिफ मकामात पर आज मुजाहरे किए गए।
Madam Bhanupriya Meena says, search is over and arrest warrant is produced, and now she says, hold on, and now she says, we can't come in. Family cannot come in, and she also says that she has no transit warrant, she cannot produce before a magistrate, but she wants to make a case. Listen, you have given an undertaking in Supreme Court, and now you're violating it. You're in serious trouble. You're in serious trouble.
You have the legal remedy always available.
I'm telling you, you have come here on a Friday.
The team of enforcement directorate has finally reached out
हटो यार
अका